So think about it. I think we're gonna play a new game. Yay! New game. New game. This is the demo for Psalm 2. Psalm 2. Psalm 2. Oh God. Okay, open up. Open sesame. Oh, my shadow's scary. You know what? I'm just gonna ignore the darkness and I'm gonna look forward. I'm gonna take a sip of my drink. Sweet. Hell yeah. Elevator for one? Yeah. Damn, this music's kind of cool. Oh, the fact that I'm like shirtless and covered in piss and blood's not. And every time I stomp, again, I'm creating craters in the ground. How fat am I? I don't like this. Oh my God. What the fuck? So that's a dead body. Guys, if you can't tell, that was a dead body. Are they watching me on the camera? What's that little amoeba on the screen? Whoa, I like the details on the wood. This is actually a pretty cool game. Two floor. Do you guys see that? Just let me go. Just let me go. Dog, I don't got a flashlight or nothing. Oh my God, oh my God. Oh, shit! I can unlock it. But do I want to? Or no, that... Well, you're creepy as shit, dude. Oh, sweet. Fucking awesome. This is so damn cool. I am so excited and happy to be here. buttered sausage. Oh, what are you? Dear Lord, I know we don't talk much, but cut me a solid, please. Let me live. Let me live this, please. They give me a damn flashlight and make it quiet too. Fuck. Hey, hey, soul sister, ain't that Mister on the radio, stereo? Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so scared right now. Holy shit. Okay. Sorry for knocking, neighbor. Okay, time. Okie doke. Crowbar, am I gonna have to fight my way through here? Oh. Okay. Well, if I gotta fight, I guess I gotta fight. Okay. Black woman. Hey, dude. Hey, dude. So it only lets me crouch this much. Sadly, I can't come in there with you. Yeah, I can't come in there with you, man. Or do I? I'll go get you food, don't worry. I'll go get you food. Oh, sweet, dude. Sweet. Something just loaded in. Sweet, dude. Sweet, I got the intestines. Yay. Fuck you. That's all I have to say is fuck you. Just fuck you, dude. Fuck you. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. I'm back with food for you. Do you like it? Do you like... Oh. I guess he liked it. Yay. Alright, guess I'm not getting out of here. Oh my fucking God, okay. 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 That's all I have to say is okay. Oh. Yup. Holy shit, that was a good ass game.